asking? बोलिए.
सबसे पहले जानना चाहिए इट्स नॉट दैट सिंपल.
मैं आपको देख के बोलूँ कि हाँ.
इट्स नॉट दैट सिंपल. क्या क्या आपकी लाइफ में बहुत ही सिंपल होता है? सबसे पहले ये जानना.
मुझे लगता है लाइफ में कुछ भी सिंपल नहीं होता है. इट्स हाउ यू ट्रीट इट. सम थिंग्स आर मेंट टू बी ट्रीटेड सिंपली एंड सम थिंग्स आर ऑलवेज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नो मैटर हाउ हार्ड यू ट्राई. हाँ, ये इंग्लिश में बोलना है कि हिंदी में बोलना है? ओके, दोनों में बोल सकती हूँ. आप बताइए, आप जिसमें पूछ रहे हैं मैं उसमें जवाब पूछिए.
तो ये जो ट्रेलर देखा आपने तो कैसा लगा?
Well, ये actually बहुत contemporary story है and it's very interesting because I think every marriage goes through its ups and downs, its crests and troughs and किसी की भी life cycle एकदम straight flatlining नहीं होती है. So I think it's very interesting and it's a modern take on how marriages are and how every person in the relationship has to eventually discover themselves and find their own space to be comfortable and find their own feet. So I think it's a very contemporary issue. It's very good actors. It's been directed by a really dear friend Danish, who's made a film already on relationships, so he knows what he's doing. And I'm very interested to see how it develops because a lot of these things are really just blueprints for what's happening in every home.
कभी जब शूटिंग पे होते हैं तो आपके लिए मतलब वो मोमेंट कैसा होता है?
वेल मैंने बहुत आज जब हम यहाँ एंटर कर रहे थे तो हमको टैग्स मिले थे मैरिड, सिंगल या इट्स नॉट दैट सिंपल. सो मेरे लिए ये तीनों ही काम करते हैं. जब वो यहाँ होते हैं मैं मैरिड होती हूँ, जब वो यहाँ नहीं होते हैं तो मैं सिंगल बनने की कोशिश करती हूँ, लेकिन इट्स नॉट दैट सिंपल. तो बिकॉज ही इज़ ऑलवेज अवे ऑन शूट फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम. आई कीप जोकिंग. आई सेड आई एम अ सिंगल पेरेंट. आई हैव सीन ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ लाइव्स. आई एम अ सिंगल पेरेंट. आई एम अ सिंगल वुमन. I sometimes feel like I don't have a husband and then you come back and it's all back to normal. So I think everyone I call myself a film widow. जब भी वो फिल्म बना रहे होते हैं तो I'm by myself. But you know what? It's okay and I find my feet.
तो अभी भी क्योंकि वो फिल्म बना रहे हैं तो जानना चाहिए कि मतलब कुछ डिस्कशन होता है आप लोगों से या कुछ फिल्म की या स्क्रिप्ट की बातें होती हैं तो आप हमें बताएंगे?
देखिए ये तो ऑब्वियस है. ये तो मैं नहीं बता सकती किस टाइप की फिल्म होगी, लेकिन मैं आपको ये बता सकती हूँ दैट every director's wife is the first sounding board for any film. An idea takes place in a private space and you're the only one around to listen to it. So everything that happens within a script, from the idea to the story, screenplay, dialogues, the casting, the wife is as involved as any head of department in the film, and it's very interesting because she never really gets an official credit, which I think should be there. There should be official credit saying wife, who's been there forever and she will be there whether the film does well or not. So it's a very interesting, aspect of being a director's wife, that you're involved with everything and yet nothing. But between Kabir and me, we are very clear. We like to keep our workspaces separate so that when we are together, it's only about us and it's not about our work. वेल मुझे लगता है हमने कुछ ज़्यादा ही इम्पोर्टेंस दे दी है एक्टर्स को कि बोलने के लिए कि अगर हम उनको यहाँ से काम नहीं करने देंगे तो कंट्रीज़ में दुश्मनी पैदा होगी. वी शुड नॉट. आई थिंक वी गिविंग टू मच इम्पोर्टेंस टू देम. दे इन द पॉलिटिकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, actors, entertainers, artists don't really hold that much of a sway. But yes, I personally feel that artists should be above all of this. But you can't help the fact that political sentiment will always reflect, the people's sentiment. So, ये चीज़ें चलती रहेंगी. When we decide to make a truce or deal with the situation and however we want to, the entertainment industry will follow suit. It's okay.
Salman has supported Pakistan artists, saying that they have been given permission visas. So do you agree with what he has said?
Well, I do agree about the fact that the guys I do agree that when all the artists were invited by our industry to star in their films, we've paid them to be part of our industry, part of our projects. They've come here on valid visas. Suddenly you can't turn around and say, okay, now you get out. How did you get into this country? Yes, I agree that there is a movement where everybody is feeling that we should not be using, artists from across the border, which personally you know, again, I think we're giving too much significance. But yes, people who have already done films, even Impa has said that films that already have projects where Pakistani artists have starred in it will not be touched, will not be impacted. That's all I think he was trying to say, though what he means only he knows. But I do know that this is what is the possible interpretation.
पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट like आतिफ असलम उनका स्टेटमेंट है कि like he don't wish Indians on Diwali या फिर वो बोले कि मैं सिर्फ पैसे कमाने जाता हूँ. Like they have also shown a different side to them. So how does this?
If you slap someone, they're going to either put their back up or they're going to slap you back, you know. So it's a very simple thing. You show them hostility, they will show you hostility. That's how people to people relationships work, you know. Had we reacted differently, they would have reacted differently. I personally don't care. I think there's too much going on between the two countries to even pay this kind of attention to, you know, what individual artists are saying about their relationship with our country. I just feel somewhere deep down we should keep art, artists, cinema, everything above all this. But it's not going to happen. So let's just make our peace with that. You're welcome. Itna gyan. Huh?
Visuals.
Okay, thank you. So much. Yeah, come. Come. Always makes it easier and less awkward.
Tell us something about your love life. What's it?
I have a non-existent love life. So I am... Guys, call me.
I am married. My wife is somewhere around here sitting in a white dress. तो बाद में मिलाऊंगा मैं आपसे.
Oh no. You're married?
Yeah, I'm married.
But you were with that girl the other day.
Oh no, which girl?
I've always seen, he's always surrounded
I've
with girls.
always
How
had women
by the
all
way.
over, everywhere.
No, but are you excited?
I am excited.
Yeah?
I'm excited.
You must have seen, you've seen the...
I've not seen most of it, yeah. I'm looking forward to seeing it with everybody. I haven't seen it at all.
Nice.
I think we're showing 2 episodes, right?
Yeah, first two. So I'm very excited to watch the show. And Swara is a dear friend as well. And so is this guy. So yeah.
हाँ मैंने देखा है. मैं हूँ उसमें भाई. कि मेरा लास्ट वीक में देखा है. आई थिंक वेब हमारा फ्यूचर है बिकॉज जो कंटेंट बन रहा है वेब पे एक्चुअली मुकाबला देगा फिल्मों को. तो फिल्में भी और बेहतर होने वाली हैं क्योंकि कंटेंट अलग है. इसमें कोई बंदिश नहीं है सेंसर का और कंटेंट का. आप कुछ भी दिखा सकते हो, कुछ भी कह सकते हो. तो मुझे लगता है ये फ्यूचर है.
And also I think बहुत contemporary है web. Like unlike television or even films also films में क्या होता है because of commercial aspect आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं a certain way. You know, because you have to abide by a masala film या एक superstar को लेना है या climax will be happy और ये सब मतलब so this is more real and like it's not that simple, which is आजकल के सारे relationships are mostly like that. So it's complicated.
It is. तो एक्चुअली इसमें क्या है कि स्वरा भास्कर का जो किरदार है उसके पास काफ़ी ऑप्शंस हैं लड़कों के, एंड सम आर पीपल शी इज़ मेट इन हर चाइल्डहुड, सम आर दैट शी इज़ मैरिड टू राइट नाउ। तो मैं एक लड़का उसकी ज़िंदगी में आता है और वो तय करती है कि शायद अफेयर किया जाए नहीं किया जाए, बट देयर इज सम केमिस्ट्री इन सम एंड इट्स नॉट दैट सिंपल।
And it's never that
It's
simple.
never that simple.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you. See you.
I'll see you.
I'll see you.
एक